Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to cook salt mackerel and susumber. Susumber is called gully bean in Jamaica. So in this pot I have about 2 cups of water and I'm adding some salt to it. About ½ teaspoon of salt. So the gully beans already washed, so I am just gonna add it to the pot and I am gonna boil it on medium high heat. So I went ahead and I removed the salt from the salt mackerel by boiling it about 5 minutes twice. Then I discarded the water and then I rinsed the salt mackerel with fresh tap water, and then I kind of use my hands and pick it apart. If you want, you can slice it. And I already have a salt mackerel recipe uploaded to this channel. So in this container, 1 small onion slice, 1 small sweet pepper, and I'm using the ripe one. Also 1 hot pepper, 1 hot pepper slice, and 1 clove garlic. The garlic is optional. So I'm just gonna set these aside until the susumber is cooked. The gully bean is cooked. Okay. It is said that the gully bean cleanses the blood. I don't know about that, but that is what they said in Jamaica. So I put a skillet on medium low heat. I am using a small burner and I am gonna add my favorite oil to the pot, which is vegetable oil, the fresh herbs. This is tomato. I did not remember to cut up the tomato, so I added the tomato as well. So tomato, onion, sweet pepper, hot pepper, and garlic. So I'm just gonna allow this to saute until translucent. So now look at the fresh herbs. They are cooked or translucent. Now I am gonna add the salted mackerel. And the gully beans. So today is a Saturday, so salted mackerel is popular on Saturday mornings for breakfast in Jamaica. So I went to the market very early, so this is like late breakfast. However, it's better too late than never. So what I'm gonna do now, I am gonna add some Eve black pepper. Remember I told you that I use a lot of different brands spices, because they it depends on my mood. You know, the different brands spices have their own unique taste. So sometimes I said, okay, I'm gonna use Grace because Grace will give me this flavor, and sometimes I said I will use Island Spice or I will use Badia. It depends. So this is ketchup, and this ketchup is from Carl ketchup. I use Grace ketchup as well, but I find that Carl ketchup tastes much better than Grace ketchup actually. So I am gonna go in and give it a good little stir. gonna cover this. And it is on low heat, right? You want it on low heat. So I'm gonna cover it and allow everything to come together. And I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna have that with boiled green bananas,